It called convert. In this file, math functions, we see in the column G some common measures, and in column H, there are abbreviations we might be using time to time when you work with different measuring systems. You need to convert from one to another. In India, specifically, we use kilometers, Celsius. We don't use miles and Fahrenheit. So sometimes we encounter some customers from different regions who use miles or Fahrenheit, meters instead of feet, and you can understand that very well, right? And if you want to convert these numbers, what we do normally, we just put this number and put this on the Google, and then we get those. Okay, let me zoom in a bit. Now we see here we have kilometers, and in this column G, I've shown some of these abbreviations that will be used in this function in order to convert the one value to a different value. For example, we want to convert kilometers into miles. And we can use a function here called convert a number from one measurement system to another. Convert which number? This number, comma, which measurement system? Kilometers. And in double quotes, we're going to type in small letters. Remember, this is case sensitive. So you'll have capital C for something else, but small c for something else. So kilometer to unit, statute mile, MI. And we close the parentheses, we get an answer here, 118 miles. Now, you may want to do the reverse as well. So again, convert miles into kilometers, this into statute mile, MI, to km, all small. Press enter, we get an answer here. Now we have 100 miles is equal to 161 kilometer. 161 kilometer equal to 100 miles. And you can see that happening. You may also want to convert at certain occasions Celsius into Fahrenheit. Can we do it? Equal convert. Which number? 37 degree. From Celsius is capital C to Fahrenheit is capital F. It has to be capital. Otherwise, you may get something else. 98.6. And maybe Fahrenheit to Celsius equal convert this number from Fahrenheit to Celsius. And close the bracket, we get an answer here. And everybody knows minus 40 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 40 degrees Celsius. And we can see that. But minus 39 is not minus 39. Minus 37 or 35 is 37 degrees. Minus 20 is 28 degrees Fahrenheit. 0 degree Fahrenheit is minus 17. And 0 degrees Celsius is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. But minus is minus 40. Minus 40 in both the cases will become minus 40. Why does it happen? You can learn about it on weathers. We might also want to convert meters to feet, and we can do it. Here we have meter and foot. So let's say I want to convert this meter into foot. Foot is FT, small letters. And here we go. And close the parentheses, we have the answer here. Meters is M, small letters, comma, M, small letters. And press enter, we got it. This is 492 feet, 150 meters. How about 10 meters? 32 feet, 1 meter, 3 feet, and 1 meter is 3 feet. We know that. 3 meters is 9 feet. 2.5 meters is 8 feet. 2 meters is 6.56. 1.5 meter, 4.92. 1.6 meters, 5.24. And 1.9 meters, 1.8 meters, 5.9. 1.755. So you can see you have fit. You want to convert it into meters, you can do it. Convert this number, comma, fit, which is FT, to meter. And here we have comma, and here we have meter. I can click on that, close it, we get an answer here. And we can see that happening. And over here, we see it converting those meters into fit. And of course, we can use other as well, other options here as well. We have grams, pounds, we have liters, gallons, liter into gallon. We can certainly do that here. If I use convert, which number, let's say 1, comma, and it's a huge list. And I've tried to put the maximum which you can use here, maximum which is required, useful over here. Not put in all of them. But you have the abbreviations here that you can use. Remember again, these are case sensitive, so small c may mean centimeter, while capital C may mean Celsius. So you need to be very careful with this one.